Hi, welcome to our rice field, and we call this rice field, but American would call this place, see, a farm. But we call this place a rice field because basically we plant rice in this place. Yeah, especially on a rainy season we plant rice, but on a dry season we can't plant this. We usually plant some kind of soybean on a dry season, but yeah, because generally we plant rice in the field, so we call this is a rice field, not a farm. And these are our rice plants that are growing, and they've been around 50 centimeters in height, and it takes maybe around 50 centimeters in height for them to grow, which means that we're ready to harvest them, and the leaves will turn to yellow, not green like this. Yes, and it will take maybe around, I'm not sure, months, 4 or 6, I'm not sure. It depends on what kind of rice plant we plant here. Maybe 5 or 6 months, I'm not sure. And yeah, the leaves turn into yellow, and some kind of a seed grow on the top of this plant, and there are many of them in one kind of branch. Well, it will grow many seeds, and hopefully we will harvest a lot of rice so that we can eat a lot this year. Okay, and I think we can consider these plants healthy, good plants, because, well, the first indication is that it's green. They're green. Okay, and the second one is that I can't see any hole on the leaves, because when there are some holes on it, it means that it's not healthy. Bad things, bad creatures, bad animals, I don't know what the name is in English, eat them, but they're all good. Okay, and to be honest with you, this thing doesn't make us rich. I mean, to harvest them, to plant them, to fertilize them, it needs a lot of money, and it needs lots of energy. So we can say that there's a big loss from running this rice field. But Japanese, there's a saying that says we Japanese prefer having some rice, which we call gaba, at their house than having some money. It just makes them comfortable. It just makes them happy by having those, because it means that they can eat. So we don't sell the harvest. We don't. It's just enough for us to eat, and so we don't sell it. It's even this rice field thing is not even enough for us. So sometimes my mom has to buy rice. Even though we have this rice field, but yeah, we're Japanese.